Right, so welcome back inside the Now Morning Show, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? The Trinidad and Tobago Diaspora Association's network, they're hosting a health webinar coming up soon. And I want this morning to chat with the chair of the TTDAN health sector, Mira King, as well as the chair of RAP-TT, Dr. Astral Webb, a little bit about it. Good morning, ladies, and welcome to the Now Morning Show.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for having us.
Thank
Now,
you.
everybody is concerned about taking the vaccine. Everybody, the vaccine is the talk of the town. Everybody wants to know, I hear that I will grow an extra limb. Some people say they hear this, they hear that, and all sorts of, they have a lot of myths, a lot of stories, a lot of fabrications going around. And you guys hope to clear up some of these things. Mira, tell me about the why we doing this panel in the first place?
Yes.
And who is it for?
So Rokas, thank you for the opportunity to be here on behalf of TTDAN. So TTDAN, first of all, is a network of associations, all aimed at promoting the development and the nurturing of Trinbagonians. So within our umbrella, we have various diaspora associations as well as associations in Trinidad and Tobago on the ground. And we're all well in tune and well aware of all of these myths that we've been hearing. Some of them, really and truly are real concerns that need to be addressed and need to be spoke about candidly, and we all deserve answers. Mm-hmm. So, it was based on the collaboration of TTDAN with RAP-TT, with the St. Joseph's Convent, Port of Spain Alumni Association, and many other alumni associations such as Bishops, QRC, CIC, came together to say, what can we do? Who can we pool? What experts can we bring together? Let's talk about this. We all deserve answers. We have questions ourselves. Mm-hmm. So that's kind of how it came about. And we were able to rally a group of professionals, not only here, but also on the ground, who will be speaking tomorrow to address these myths.
So this is happening tomorrow. And well, Dr. Webb, what is RAP-TT's role in this panel discussion?
Sure. So RAP-TT is the Women Roundtable Action Platform of Trinidad and Tobago, and we provide inclusive space so that our women in the diaspora can not only engage but empower one another and our initiatives of concern. Mm-hmm. So we are a partner to TTDAN and in a way a member, because TTDAN is the umbrella of organizations within the diaspora. And so we as women are also concerned about those concerns for the moms or decision makers for taking care of the elderly and the kids, and of course the concerns around COVID-19. So it is as a collaborative partner, bringing together the network of all the organizations and the individuals under our umbrella who have expertise as well to shed light. And so as the diaspora, as we look at, the issues impacting our family members and friends who are still in Trinidad and Tobago, it's extremely important for us to provide these forms of partnerships, not only to provide these educational platforms, but also to do what we can in the light of donating vaccines and supplies and whatever else is needed.
Okay, Mira King, tell me something. The Diaspora Network, right? Mm-hmm. You guys are targeting Trinbagonians only or Caribbean people?
It's a great question. So that's why we use YouTube as a platform, because right. Really and truly, all viewers will be able to participate and ask their questions on this platform. Mm-hmm. We have identified Trinidad and Tobago to be the target just because we're very concerned about the increase in death toll, the hospitalizations, the infection rates that's going up. So that is our main priority.
Well, technically they're going down right now.
Going down?
Yeah, they're going down right now.
Thank you for the correction. Going down, especially in the past couple of days. Yeah. But at the time when we started the planning, it right. was still going up. So that was the impetus that helped us to put this forward. But Caribbean nationals are absolutely welcome to participate. So.
All right, tell me some of the things that you hope to clear up, or some of the topics that we're going to make sure that are ventilated at this panel discussion.
So Dr. Webb, I'll pass this to you to be able to talk about some of the myths that we'll be addressing.
Certainly. So we know that there are a number of concerns about what the vaccine is, how does it work, what are some of the side effects and so forth, and the impact. we have a number of individuals who are also concerned based on their beliefs, faith-based, rooted, faith-based and cultural perspectives. And so what we want to do is to provide as many leaders in that area, healthcare, public health, as well as the faith and community leadership, to provide their point of view, their perspectives, and how looking at the COVID vaccination and understanding the facts versus the myths, we could really make true informed decisions for our loved ones, for ourselves, and for our communities at large. So we will talk about the types of variants that we're seeing and potential boosters, because of course these are all follow-up concerns to the questions that many individuals have. And as Mira said, you know, these are legitimate concerns and we acknowledge that. So for us, it's really important to, you know, put out what the facts are and dispel any myths and clear up any misinformation that we have out there.
So the whole point is to give more information, to give as much information as possible so that people can make an informed decision as to whether they decide to take the vaccine or not, yeah?
Exactly.
Absolutely.
All right. So Mira, tell me what's happening tomorrow at 6 p.m. How can people be a part of it? How can they get involved?
Yes, absolutely. So it will be live on YouTube. If you go on YouTube, type TTDAN, our YouTube page should come up. That's TTDAN, and you'll be able to tune into the live events. We've also been circulating the flyer. I'm not sure if you have the ability to pull that up at all, but we want to see the flyer, the full information and details are on the flyer with how to access the show. So.
All right, fantastic. And before we wrap up, tell me some of the speakers. I know we mentioned that they're going to be professionals and they're going to be people, you know, religious leaders and stuff like that. But give me some names. Drop some names on them.
Yeah, so we have Professor Michelle Monteil, who will be on, you know, as an immunologist and a professor. She will be talking about, you know, what's happening on the ground. We have Bishop Ibelame, who will be speaking from a physician and a bishop, you know, faith-based perspective. We have Dr. Joelle Simpson, who's a pediatrician, who will be speaking more from, you know, the family perspective, the mother's perspective. We have Dr. Sophia Mohammed, who will also be speaking from a socialist perspective and behavioral perspective. So we tried our best to capture all the different buckets and viewpoints that would really be able to address the full list of myths that we've been hearing and provide the facts. So.
Well, I want to thank you guys so much for doing this and for bringing the information to the forefront. And I wish you all the best in the panel discussion. It's happening tomorrow at 6 p.m., guys. So you want to tune into YouTube, just search TTDAN on YouTube and get all the information that you need to know if you want to take that vaccine or not. I want to thank you, Mira King, Chair of TTDAN Health Sector, as well as Dr. Astral Webb, who's the Chair of RAP TT. Thank you, ladies, so much for joining us this morning inside the Now Morning Show.
Thank you, Rockus, for the opportunity.
No problem.
Thank you for having me.
Be safe, all right? Take care. We'll take a quick break and come back with more inside the Now Morning Show. Stay tuned.